The majority of the revenue that comes to the state of Utah comes from two sources. One of them is the income tax. The other one is the sales tax. The income tax is primarily used to fund education. The sales tax funds the general fund, which goes for most government operations. There are other sources of income as well. There is a number of different ways that the state can raise revenue. In addition to taxes, there can be fees, if you think of registration fees on cars, or fees to go into a state park. Those are all ways to generate revenue. And then there's also revenue that comes from the federal government. There's really two sources of funding in the budget. One of them is what we call one-time funding. Another one is ongoing funding. So one-time funding is essentially money you're getting one time that you then spend, and once you spend it, it's gone. An example of a one-time expense would be a building, like at a university or a state building. Ongoing funding, it's more reliable source of revenue that will regenerate in the future as your revenues continue to go on. An example of an ongoing expense for the state would be salary for police officers or teacher pay.